Over here, I took a couple of pounds of fresh peas. You put some shallots and butter and olive oil in a pan. Saute the first half of the peas. And then I'm going to add them to the food processor. And I've already processed a bundle of mint and a fat handful of parsley. That's sitting in this dish here waiting for the peas to finish. These are minty peas. You don't want to overcook the peas. So I just saute these guys a couple of minutes. And I puree half, and then put them back in the pan in the last couple of minutes, putting some whole peas for texture, because it makes them hot. It's quite delicious. Don't put the mint in until you're just ready to serve. So now we're going to take the puree, put it back in the pan, pull the blade out, add your whole peas and turn the heat way down. Or off if you wanted to do this ahead and just heat it back through. If it gets too thick, add a little bit of chicken stock. Extra little splash of stock. Throw in all of your whole peas to combine. And then at the very end to serve, add all of the mint and parsley. That's this right here. And the juice of 1 lemon. Simple. Our minty peas get the mint and parsley. And the juice of 1 lemon. Squeeze the lemon cut side up, of course. Mix that all together. And this is the half pea puree plus half whole peas. Lovely combination.